Start.
So, dear students, for lesson 4, unit number 2, projection of straight lines, already I circulated to the problems for practice. Before going to practice, hints to remember how the alpha is there, how the beta is there, how the theta, how the pi, how the traces, what is ht, what is vt. Before you want to read properly and you got the idea. Afterwards, the problems we want to start. You want to start problems. So here a point A is 50 millimeter below HP, 12 millimeter behind of VP. A point B is 10 millimeter above HP, 25 millimeter in front of VP. The distance between the projectors of A and B is 40 millimeter. Draw the projections of the line AB. Determine its traces. So once here is in this problem, projections already given. So that's why first you want to take. So here this is lesson number 4. Lesson number 4, question number 1. First you want to draw a XY line. Draw a XY line. Here point A is 50 millimeter below HP. 50 millimeter below HP means this is A. So A dash. This gap is 50. So 50 millimeter below HP. Why? Because front view is below XY line. 12 millimeter behind of VP. 12 millimeter behind of VP. So this is A top view. This is 12 millimeter behind of VP. See, because front view and top view of a point, they should lie on the single projector. See, the distance between projectors equal to 40 mm. From here take 40. Why? Because the gap between the projectors is 40. So here put the 40 here. Then here point B 10 millimeter above HP. This is 10 millimeter above HP. So this is B dash. This gap is 10 millimeter above HP. And 25 millimeter in front of VP. 25 millimeter in front of VP. So this is B. This gap is 25 millimeter in front of VP. So this is A and A dash. This is B and B dash. Suppose the line is AB. AB. Front view is A dash and B dash. Top view is AB. That's why by using scale you want to join A dash to B dash. Then you got the front view. This is front view. This is make tick. Then you want to join A to B. This is also thick. Why? Because this is top view. So once you want to draw A dash and B dash and AB, both are called as projections of a line. Determine traces. Determine traces means first this is the front view. This front view line where it intersects the XY line. So this is the point. This is called small h. Why? Because this is the point of intersection, front view and the reference line. This is h. From h you want to draw vertical line towards top view. This is the top view. From h you want to draw vertical line top view where it touches. This is ht. ht means horizontal trace. Horizontal trace is always lies upon top view. See, remember that horizontal trace is lies upon top view. In the similar manner, vertical trace is lies upon front view. So here simply AB, this is top view, it touches the XY line, nothing but it intersects the XY line at V. So this is small v. From V you want to draw a vertical line towards the front view in this way. Here it cuts here. This is vertical trace. So vertical trace is lies upon front view. Horizontal trace is lies upon top view. These are very important whenever you want to allocate the traces. In the similar manner, next goes to suppose any problem is there. Question number 2. Why? Because here the line AB is 50 millimeter long and A is in both HP and VP. It is inclined 30 to HP, 45 to the VP. Draw the projections and locate its traces. Once end A is in both the HP and both the VP, That's why once a line is both the HP and both the VP, its front view and top view both lies on XY. So that's why anywhere put the point, this is called A dash and this is called A. Front view and top view both lies at this point only. But it makes theta inclined at 30 to HP. Theta is 30 degrees, 45 to the VP. So theta is 30 degrees, pi is 45 degrees, and true length is 50. True length is 50. This is the given data. That's why by using protractor at A dash, you want to make incline 30 degrees. So at A dash 30 degrees, this is 30. Then you want to extend the line. This is 30 degrees. Next, pi equal to 45 at A. Why? Because top view is A. So at A you want to extend 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degrees angle. Here you want to extend the line. So this is 45 degrees. Extend the line. So how much extend the line we don't know. First extend the line. But true length is 50. That's why by using compass, taking 50 length on the scale. Why? Because true length is 50. So true length is 50. That's why take a true length 50. Then A dash center, cut the line. This is true length. A center, cut the line. This is true length. So true length is 50. This true length is 50. Once you want to draw true length, through this point draw locus of front view line. A line which is parallel to XY, draw this is locus of front view line. Through this point draw locus of top view line, which is parallel to XY. XY to parallel, you want to draw a line. How much length we don't know, just draw the line. This is called locus of front view. This is called locus of top view. Once you want to draw locus of top view and front view, then you want to put the point here. This is B1 dash. Why? Because this is front view. That's why B1 dash. From B1 dash, draw vertical line up to touch the XY line. Why? Because this is the top view line. It's the top view line. Next, from this point, suppose this is B2. Now extend the up to front view line. So whenever the locus of the point, you want to cut the true length line 50. You want to cut the true length line 50. Then where the point you got it, that point draw vertical line towards the top view line. Suppose top view is here, up to here you want to extend it, but top view is here. That's why you want to extend here only. Suppose from here, this is true length line in the top view side. Then extend the line up to front view side. Suppose the front view is above here, up to that you want to extend it. After that, take compass, A dash center. You got what the point you want to get it, just rotate it up to touch here. This is rotate it. Next, same point is center, up to here is radius. Radius, you want to rotate it in this manner. In this manner. After that, you want to join this point and that point by a straight line. This is also projector. Now this is B dash. This is B. Now join A dash to B dash. This is the front view. This is the front view thick line. AB. This is thick line. See, remember that front view is less than 50. Top view is this is front view less than 50. Top view also less than 50. Why? Because when the line makes with XY line, so much of angle theta and pi, nothing but if any line is inclined to HP, at the same time inclined to VP, both front view and top view are shorter than the true length. Here, what is the angle made by the front view? That is called alpha. What is the made by the top view with XY? The total angle is beta. So alpha is always greater than 30. Beta is always greater than 45. Please remember that they are called as apparent angles. So here this is 30, this is 45. So our ultimate aim is you want to draw projections of front view projections of top view. But in this problem, they got that traces. So why? Because here front view, it intersects the XY line here only. That's why this is HT. HT and VT both are coincide at this point only. Why? Because front view cuts here plus top view is here also. There is no need of draw vertical line here. Same point. This indicates HT and VT, A dash and A. This is the common point of all the points. That's why locate the traces means HT and VT both are located here only. Why? Because front view cuts the XY here, top view cuts the XY here only. That's why here HT and VT both occupies here only. But in the previous case, here front view cuts here, front view, it cuts XY line here. That's why got draw vertical line. You want to touch HT here. Top view, it cuts the here. You want to draw vertical line towards front view. You got VT here. So VT is always lies upon front view. HT is lies upon top view. Please remember that. Here also HT, VT both occupies in the same line. So that's why remaining problems you want to do as the same way. Procedure is same. Just you want to change the dimensions and you got the idea.